Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet with QR code updated. Open Trust Wallet, tap Settings, select Wallet Connect, scan the D-App QR code on your desktop, approve the connection, and check that the correct account is selected. If a connection fails, close the session, restart both apps, update to the latest version, and avoid scanning unknown QR codes to protect your crypto. Follow these steps slowly and you'll be connected. Make sure both devices are ready and running updated software before attempting a connection. On your desktop, open the D-App and reveal the Wallet Connect QR code. In Trust, Wallet tap Settings, then Wallet Connect, and use the in-app scanner to capture that QR code. Confirm the D-App name and account on your phone and approve the session. If anything looks off, cancel and verify the D-App identity first. If scanning or connecting fails, first restart both the phone and the desktop browser or D-App. Clear any old Wallet Connect sessions in Trust Wallet to prevent pairing conflicts. Confirm both devices share a stable internet connection and that no VPN or firewall blocks Wallet Connect traffic. If problems persist, try an alternative browser or use the D-App's manual reconnect feature. These steps usually resolve most common connection hiccups quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.